Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to use for loop using Bash script on Rocky Linux 9.2. A Bash for loop is a Bash programming language statement that allows code to be repeatedly executed. A for loop is class validation and iteration statement. It is the repetition of a process within a Bash script. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Next, I am going to create a script file named forloop.sh by using Vim text editor. .sh is an extension of Bash script. Press I to insert mode. In the first line, I am going to add the debug symbol /bin/bash, which is used to instruct the operating system to use bash as command interpreter. Next, I am going to write a script to count name server in /etc/resolve.conf by using for loop statement. After completing the script, save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to give the executable permission for the script file by using the following command. Long list the files by using the following command. This is our script file with the executable permission. Next, I'm going to execute this script by using // command. This script will execute the number of name servers which is present in the /etc/result.conf file. It shows one name server present in the /etc/result.conf file. Now I'm going to check the name servers present in the /etc/result.conf file. Here we can see the one name server present in this file. Now I'm going to add the another name server. Save and exit from the file. Again run the script. Now it shows two name server present in the /etc/result.conf file. Our script execute the correct value. By this way, you can use for loop using Bash script on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.